Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shiva Masgara Channel, a faith healer, also matarrier. So ngayong hapon natatingnan natin na nagsasabihin sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 23 hanggang September 30 for the sign of Pisces. So, Pisces, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Pisces ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading sa reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and the notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages. Ano ang pinakamensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay for the sign of Pisces? There's a high priestess. May eksena dito. There's a hidden agenda or hidden enemies or something dito na kumbaga, there's an unexpected moment. At the same time, there's a King of Pentacles being secure about sa finances, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito, pangalagaan at proteksyonan mo yung kung ano man ang meron ka, di ba? Negosyo, trabaho, resource of income mo, di ba? Meron ditong may hidden agenda dito. Or some of you, hindi natin masasabi, biglang mangungutang or biglang kang lulukoyin sa eksena, no? Kumbaga sinasabi na dito na proteksyonan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a wheel of fortune. May, kumbaga, there's a swerte, no? May papasok doon na swerte dito, no? Mukhang magiging malakas ang negosyo or trabaho mo, no? Or magkakaroon ka ng promotion, di ba? Parang may swerte kasi dito. Ang lakas ng energy ko dito na nakikita. Na kumbaga, ang laking pagbabago, di ba? Biglang swerte, biglaan. Ito, I don't think so kung ito ay loto, di ba? Or something. Pero ang lakas ng energy na mukhang may eksena talaga dito. What is the Eight of Wands? Wow! Fast communication or fast movement, no? Or new messages or new opportunities, no? Kumbaga magiging mabilis ang eksena na to. And of course, there's a Nine of Wands. There's a final push na may mga bagay na kailangan mong mag-antay at may kailangan mong i-push pa. Diba? What is additional messages? With the Eight of Cups, letting go. No? Hayaan mo lang mangyari yung mga bagay na mangyayari, no? I-let go mo yung, bitawan mo, i-surrender mo kay God yung mga bagay-bagay. Basta gawin mo kung ano man yung part mo at gawin mo yung mga bagay na alam mong may benefits sa'yo at the end of the time. So let's see what is the High Priestess. And because there's a devil card, I told you so. Kumbaga meron talaga ditong hidden agenda, diba? Kumbaga meron ditong devil mindset or something na negativity. Kumbaga may masamang balak na gumawa ng eksena, 'di ba? Kumbaga sinasabi sa dito magpag-iingat, 'di ba? Maging aware dahil hindi mo kilala at kung sino ang totoong kalaban, 'di ba? Malay mo yung kasama mo diyan sa trabaho partnership, 'di ba? And of course, there's a death card. There's an ending and a new beginning, diba? Kumbaga may taong gagawa na para pabagsakin ka. Na para magkaroon ng bankruptcy ang iyong negosyo. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong protection at pangalagaan tong negosyo mo, no? Or trabaho mo. What is the Wheel of Fortune? What is the Wheel of Fortune? There's a Queen of Pentacles. Excuse me. There's a secure about sa finances. Masyado tumatalino pagdating sa pera. No? Sinasabi dito na there's a mother figure. Masyadong mataas ang kumbaga grounded talaga siya. No? Kumbaga marunong siya magpaikot ng pera. And of course, there's a Four of Pentacles. Proteksyonan at pangalagaan ang kung ano man ang meron ka. Na yung territory mo, yung finances mo, resource of income mo. No? Kailangan mong maging maingat. What is the Nine of Wands? What is the Nine of Wands? Okay. There's a Queen of Wands. Stability, control, have a confidence, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo na kayang-kaya mo. Push through to, di ba? What is the Eight of Cups? There is a Nine of Cups. There is a wish fulfillment. Kumbaga, i-let go mo lang, hayaan mo lang mangyari yung dapat mangyari. Wag mong masyadong antayin or i-expect, no? Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, magpatuloy ka kung ano man yung ginagawa mo. Kasi may katuparan yan eh. May matutupad mo at magagawa mo yan. What is the High Priestess and the Devil card? What is the High Priestess and the Devil card? So there's an Ace of Cups. Oh, may hidden agenda dito about sa love life, no? Kumbaga there's a devil energy na, kumbaga, baka may gusto sa person mo, o baka nilalatek yung person mo. Ganun, diba? Hinaharot. Or something na temptation, diba? The devil is a temptation siguro yan. Diba? Unexpected, no? May balak umakas sa jowa o asawa mo. What is the King of Pentacles in the Death card? And of course, there is a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition, no? Kumbaga, ibibigay ito sa iyo ang kumbaga there's an inner voice or there's a prediction or visions or there's an instinct, no? Kapag naramdaman mo at na kumbaga nasa-sense mo na gano'n, carjacking mo na kagad. What is the Wheel of Fortune and of course the Queen of Pentacles? There's a Six of Swords. There's a transition. Makakaalis ka ng biglaan sa situation. Or there's a travel, or there's relocation, or some of you makakatala. Kung may bigla ang serte, it means siguro, tatama siguro kayo sa loto, or something na biglang jackpot, gano'n. Kumbaga sinasabi dito na may transition dito na magpapabago ng buhay mo. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, ati, 'di ba, madam si ating, 'di ba? Or si kuya, 'di ba? Wala naman kasi walang gender preferences to, ha. It's either a girl, boy o kineso pa 'yan. Sinasabi sa dito na walang gender ditong preference. Babae, lalaki, kumbaga tomboy or transgender or bakla or something. Sinasabi sa dito na iba-iba ng eksena dito, no? What is the Eight of Wands and of course the Four of Pentacles? And of course, sinasabi na Empress card, there's a revert, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena at kumbaga, maipapanganak ulit yung bagong negosyo mo or trabaho mo. Or something na madadagdagan siguro yung resource of income mo by budgeting, no? What is the Knight of Wands and of course the Queen of Swords? There is a Seven of Wands. Protectionan mo yung grounds mo, protectionan mo yung sarili mo, protectionan mo kung ano man ang meron ka. Diba? What is the Eight of Cups and the Knight of Cups? And of course, sinasabi dito, by the Two of Swords, there's a decision. Kailangan mo mag-desisyon. Ano yung kailangan pag-desisyonan? Sige nga, let's see. Bigla ko na ano dyan sa, ano na yan. Let's see, what is, the Ten of Cups, okay. Kailangan mo magdesisyon kung gusto mo maging masaya, 'di ba? Kung i-let go mo na, bitawan mo yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi makakatulong sa iyo in the near future, 'di ba? Alam mo yung hindi nagsiserve at walang give and take, 'di ba? Bitawan na. So what is the outcome? Ang outcome is the Chariot card. Maraming parating, maraming pagbabago. There's a taking action. Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. So let's see what is additional messages for the career. There's a Ten of Swords, no? Sabi ko na may nagbabackstab sa'yo dito with the black namin, no? There's a negativity or there's a black magic involved na gusto kang pabagsakin nito, no? Kung some of you baka nananakit ang likod, mayroong gumagawa sa'yo dito na kailangan mong sirain o basagin, no? Kasi merong kamalasan na ginagawa. See, there's a divine intervention by temperance na sinasabi sa'yo dito, may mga paalala sa'yo by signs, synchronicities, or angel's number na kailangan mong mag-pay attention. Diba? Makinig ka na kasi may red flag na. Ayaw mo makinig. Diba? Or baka nananaginip ka as of nowhere, or baka hindi ka makatulog sa gabi, or something na, kumbaga, nagigising ka out of nowhere or marami na nanakit sa'yo. So, nasabi sa'yo dito na may gumagawa sa'yo. What is overall pagdating naman sa health? There is a Page of Swords. Get more information na may mga bagay na kailangan mo kumbaga, i-research or something, diba? Kumbaga, buksan yung panibagong eksena dito na there's a two sides. There's a medical and spiritual. So, tignan mo doon kung ano yung eksena mo doon. Get more information. So, let's see what is, excuse me. Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? My goodness. Okay, there's a past, lack, suffering. O see? Kumbaga may past person dito or sinasabi na, kumbaga nagkaroon ka ng blockages dito by the past or something na mayroon kang, kumbaga nagsasuffer ka sa nangyari sa nakaraan. Additional messages. Kumbaga hindi ka makausad-usad, ganon. Let's see, what is additional messages? There's a chance, divine timing, di ba? Makinig ka sa kumbaga magtiwala ka at makinig ka sa mga angel spirit mo. Na ibibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay kung talaga ayon na sa kalooban ng Diyos. And of course, there's a Venus by offer. There's an offer, a proposal o love offer. Let's see what is the love oracle card. What is the love oracle card? Angel spirit guides. There's a sunglasses, no? There's a watching, looking, stalking at you. Kumbaga may taong sumusubaybay sa'yo by the hidden agenda, with the devil energy, no? And of course, the swords and the rose. See, there's a clarity, truth, revelation. Marami kang malalaman dito, no? And of course, there's a protection and power, no? Kailangan mo proteksyonan at pangalagaan kung ano man na meron ka. And there's an I like you. O some of you mayroong taong may gusto sa'yo o may lihim na may pagtingin sa'yo. Or, cross-watcher, baka may pagtingin sa person mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Or fan flirting, or baka may naglumalandi o humaharap sa person mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's an adversity. I accept the challenges are the best way to learn. Diba? May mga tayo nararanasan na tayo na parang mas lalo tayo na-excite. Diba? Ganon. At the same time, there's a doubt. No? Excuse me. Alisin mo daw yung pangamba mo. No? Alisin mo yung pag-aalinlangan mo. So, there's additional messages para makita mo yung kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. And of course, there's an infinite of abundance. No? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka na masaganang buhay dito. At the same time, there's a teaching. No? Kung some of you, baka teacher or trainer or something na nagbibigay ng information. Diba? So, let's see what is the Monsology. Monsology represent, don't let your past hold you back. Wag mo raw balik-balikan yung mga nakaraan at wag mo raw babalikan yung mga bagay na alam mo nangyari from the past. Yung bungangi. My goodness. Ay, Diyos ko, ninulit pa, may. Pero of course, you're very close to achieve your goal. Napakalapit mo na para maisa katuparan ang mga pangarap mo. Unti-unti na yan matutupad. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Pasensya na guys, minsan nasasagap talaga natin yung bungaangan ng mother ko dahil yung bungaangan ng mother ko talaga yan, minsan talaga sumisigaw siya out of nowhere, ganon. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yan. Of course, there is a fire by confident, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo. Diba? So, let's see what is a chakra. What is the chakra? And of course, there is a growth. Oh, may ugat ng eksena dito. May pinanggagalingan, may pinanghuhugutan. And of course, there's a release, no? Kailangan mong alisin at kailangan mong basagin. Ganon. So, let's see what is the energy. Damang-dama. So, let's see what is additional messages for this energy. There's a victory and success na magtatagumpay ka at talagang makukuha mo ang corona. And of course, there's a women holding a heart. So, some of you, ikaw yung may hawak ng puso. Or if you are a man, ikaw yung person mo, hinahawakan ng puso mo. Or meron talaga nagpapatibok sa pihi kang puso ni Kineso. Char! So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? Lagyan lang natin ng very late na punchline, di ba? Para at least pasabog naman to. Hindi masyadong ano. So let's see, what is Arcang Raphael? Prayer work. See? 'Di ba? Talagang alam mo yung dasal, talaga nakakatulong siya to relieve your kumbaga your sickness or something kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo, 'di ba? Yung problema mo, unti-unti naman siyang kahit paano ay gumagaang. So let's see what is the Romance Angels. Romance Angels messages. Give your relationship a chance. So, ibig sabihin dito, bigyan ng chance ang relasyon, di ba? Okay yung minsan lang nagkamali, wag lang pa ulit-ulit. Sakit na yon. Char. Because detach from the situation, kailangan mo ng pakawalan at kailangan mo ng kumawala sa sitwasyon. And of course, this situation is already resolved. Maaaring some of you nangyari na. At itong outcome na to ay nangyayari na nga. Diba? So, what is the Jesus loving calls? What is the Jesus loving quote? You heavenly Father, know that you have need all of this. So, ibig sabihin daw, alam daw ni God na lahat ng mga bagay na kung ano man ang gusto mo ay kailangan mo, ay maaari mo makuha. Diba? Keep praying. Diba? Keep praying. What is the angel's number? What is the angel's number? There's a 9. I am compassionate. Let's see. It's your compassion that makes you shine. You are devoted to helping the greater good and have a strong talent for speaking up for others. Your soul is most satisfied when you are being of service. So, ibig sabihin talaga nagseserbisyo kayo. Tumutulong kayo at yung talent mo ay talaga nakakatulong. Or some of you guys, may mga spiritual gift din. So, ibig sabihin, nakakatulong may service ka talaga. By, nakakatulong ka talaga sa mga taong nangangailangan. So, let's see what is the messages of life. So, sinasabi dito, guys, letting go. Kailangan mong bitawan, kailangan mong pakawalan. Hayaan mong mangyari, diba? Life is unfolds, diba? Let's see. Today, remember that God is within me and around me. I release myself to God's hands and regain my inner peace. I know God is providing me that which is most beneficial for my soul. I know that God is sending angels to help me face any difficult that arise. Let go into a God will, knowing the best is yet to come. See? Alam mong mangyayari yung mga bagay na dapat mangyari ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Kumbaga, the more natin na pinipilit, the more natin na ayaw mangyari ay mangyayari. The more na pinipilit, lalo tayong masasaktan. So, sinasabi dito, bitawan mo, pakawalan mo yung bagay na yan para at least, diba? Maramdaman mo yung kaligayahan at kaluwagan sa eksena na yan. Parang ano yan parang hinahawakan mo lang yung isang basong ng mainit na tubig, 'di ba? Kapag alam mong napaso ka na, bitawan mo. Dahil pag hindi mo pa yan na binitawan, malalapnasan ka at masasaktan ka lang. 'Di ba? So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 23 hanggang September 30 for the sign of Pisces. This reading is a journey reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!